Furby,
Yes, sir.
got your performance Subaru part. I see you got your cylinder heads.
This is the one that had the variable Vane turbo.
Yes.
One reason I always recommend long block
Yep.
heads, what have you. If you look really close right here,
Yep.
that little chunky stuff right there, that little fuzzy stuff,
Gotcha.
that's metal.
Gotcha.
That used to be part of the turbo. That's now sent through the entire oil system. Now, yes, I know what you're going to say. There's these little filters, and it's doing the best it can.
Yeah.
But at some point, it's going to have so much to stop that it's going to stop everything. The metal and the oil going through, it's going to fry the cams and fry everything else. When you have this much metal go through your engine, really the best way to do it is just replace everything. Now, you can flush it, clean it, scrub it, hope for the best. But if you never want to see my pretty face again, replace it. Block, head, replace it.
Perfect.